Okay, question 12. One of the types of questions which I really hate. So let's have a look. So consider the following statement. Well, they give you some sort of logical statement, and they want you to find a negation of that. And back in the day, I found these things really confusing. It's really annoying as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the technique. Now, let's try to use some mathematical notation to write that sentence in mathematics instead of English, right? Because I think it helps. So for any, go for all. Okay, you use this symbol. This is a upside down A. Okay, normally we learn this in university, right? But it helps here. So I suppose, and it's not the hardest thing on earth. Okay, so I hope this will help. So for all, n, well, positive integer n, right? So n in natural numbers. I hope we have seen this before. Yeah, the n with a extra stroke there. There is, this is a flipped e, a positive integer k. Oh, okay. Oh, I should have used z, shouldn't I? I shouldn't be using a n there because it's positive integer, right? No. I'm right. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm being dumb. Okay. Yes. Positive integer is the natural numbers. Okay. Yes. All right. It's such that n times kn plus 1 minus 1, such that we use st. This thing is not prime. Okay. Well, I can't translate that into mathematics, so just put the English there for any positive integer n. Okay, so that is the mathematical statement. Now, if you want to negate a mathematical statement, all you have to do is that change the for alls into exists, right? And then change all the exists into for all. That's essentially the idea. Okay, and this makes life so much easier. Okay, and obviously when it's not prime, then you change it to prime, right? Okay, so let's have a look. Now it is there exists an n in n such that for all, okay, there's no such that here, but I suppose grammatically, adding a such that here might help, but it doesn't matter. Now, such that this thing is prime for some m, in natural numbers. Okay, so now we have the exists here, right? We have the exists here. So A, B, C, D are all wrong, right? Because this is for any. For any was this symbol, right? That's no good. Okay, now there's a positive, and such that for any positive integer k, that is what we want, right? For any positive integer k, right? The h is wrong now because this is there exists, right? So this is not what we want, so that's no good. There is a positive integer m, that's good because I want there exists, right? This flipped e means there is or there exists, all right? Or for some, I suppose, for some. Okay, so g is wrong here because this is any. Alright. Lastly, what did I say? Well, the prime becomes the not prime becomes prime, right? Not prime becomes prime. So the answer is F. Okay. So negating statements, write it out mathematically. I think that's the most straightforward way of doing it. Alright. Even though this notation might be university notation, but I suppose it really helps. Like it makes it 100 times easier and less confusing, as you saw just now. I hope. Okay. Cool. So hopefully that helps, and let's move on to the next question.